install Donarius on a Mac using CrossOver from CodeWeavers. First we go to Donarius.com, we fill in the form at the top right and click the button to download the software. We click download now. We want to save the file. Then we go over to the CodeWeavers website, and we're going to, for the moment, use a free trial. Later, you'll be paying for it. So we click free trial, fill in the information here. And download the software. And we're going to click OK here to save it. And this will take a few minutes. Now that we're done, we're going to go over to our downloads folder and open up the file that we downloaded. And then drag this icon over to our applications folder. And we can start it. And we'll get this message sometimes, so we just tell it to open it. And sometimes though it's gone behind some other windows, so let's close some of these windows here. And we click on install a Windows application. We type Donarius here. And we choose this option here. We click select installer. Choose installer file. And we go to our downloads folder and select the file that we had downloaded. And we don't need this message at the top right now. And we're going to select a bottle. We're going to use a Windows 10 bottle. And we're going to say continue. And then we're going to say install. Sometimes we get this message, we just click cancel and it will be opened anyways. And we scroll down to the bottom of the license agreement. Click install. Click OK. And then we click done. We should have an icon here for Donarius, but sometimes it doesn't get added right away. So we're going to just start it manually by choosing Browse here. Choose Donarius.exe. And then we want to save this command as a launcher. And sometimes that doesn't work, but we're going to run it anyways. And this is now asking you some questions to set up Donarius. And we're going to just say that this is on a Sunday. And for now, we'll say that we're done. And we're going to put in the church name here. And we're going to click Save a few times here. And now Donarius has been installed. Now, if you have your previous data somewhere, you can restore it, or if you are transferring from a different software, you can import information. Now, at this point, when you're satisfied that the software runs, you may want to purchase an actual license for CrossOver. You would go back to their website, click on Buy Now, and you would choose this option here, this one version. And you would put in a promo code here if you have one, and then proceed down to the section below where you fill in your name and address and your credit card number. Thank you for watching. If you have any more questions, go to Donarius.com or call us at 1-888-479-4636. Thank you.